Let's make chicken barberry pilau. Add 2 cups of rice, and for every 1 cup of rice, add 2.5 cups of water, or pour enough water until it reaches the first knuckle of your index finger. Mix the ingredients for a few minutes until well combined. Then let it rest for at least 1 to 2 hours. For the best results, let it rest overnight for an enhanced flavor.